What is up, XRP Militia? It is Sunday. It is Brendan from Market Makers. Guys, thanks for joining. Hope you enjoy the XRP use case video updates because this coin has a bright future regardless of what brother BTC does because, as you know, he's been struggling a little bit today, the last 12 or 24 hours. Guys, let's look at where we're at with XRP and what we can expect. You were trading in this ascending wedge pattern, which you've kind of broken out of a little bit here on the 1 hour, but we'll check that on the 4 hour as well. You can see my trend line going down here, and we broke out of that. We had a little breakout, right? That's good. That's a positive trend. Bitcoin's moving up a little bit again right now after a dissension. So let's see what pans out. But the first thing you want to do is look for patterns. And you see you have this side here, right? You're going to run into resistance from my triple EMA here. So hopefully you can get through this, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to roll over, okay? Because if you roll over and Bitcoin does start to fall again, you are printing a double top, right? And then if you get an arrow down here and you break a neckline, that's your drop, right? So we can look at some drop targets here, and we're going to look at the 4 hour as well. Let's throw on our Gann. Gann, you have, let me get rid of some of those guys. Gann, you have 127. Looks like you're between 133 and 127. For this particular coin, it looks about 6-cent increments, so you can gauge it that way as well. So you can see you're hovering between these two right now. So you have 127 as support, and then 121.5 as support, and then 116. So it does go down a little bit as far as 5-cent, 6-cent increments. But just look at that. So that is something to watch out for. Watch for that resistance. Watch for the rollover. Okay, you want to be careful there. Let's see where Ichi has us. If we're above everything, we fell through the moving average a little bit. We are resting on this trend line support, and we are between these two Gann support levels, and you're still above the Ichi cloud. So everything's healthy from that perspective, okay? So let's look at exactly what the volatility and everything is. Volatility is still elevated. You have some selling going on, minimal institutional involvement, and you do have a green trend. So I mean, everything's decent right now. You know, if Bitcoin can push back up, XRP will follow, right? So let's check out the 4 hour. 4 hour, again, we saw that in the last one. We saw this ascending wedge type pattern. So let's see if we can see if this is still validated. As you know, it takes 4 1-hour candles to equal 1 4-hour candle. So we want to see if we can see if we're still in this ascending wedge type pattern, and we are on the 4 hour. It looks like it. Again, these are bearish. It doesn't mean they have to be bearish. You can pump out of these, okay? So if Bitcoin still shows strength, you can do this type of movement, get out of this, okay? Or just go straight up this way, or come over and then go that way. They don't have to fall to the bearish side all the time. It's 2 out of 3 times, guys. And if there's a lot of strength in Bitcoin, this can get out of that. But as well, you do have a couple other patterns going on here, okay? Because you do have what could be a head, what could be a shoulder, and then obviously if you kept coming down, you could print a double top by coming down like that McDonald's M fashion, right? Then you have your double top like that. Or you could come down a little bit lower and you have a shoulder. So you could have head and shoulders. Again, there's a lot of bearish patterns, guys, because Bitcoin failed to break 48K, right? It tried twice off a mega pump. It got rejected twice, and then it descended, and now it's breaking back out a little bit. So it really depends what happens with Bitcoin. Let's look at let's get a trend progression or trend regression price analysis and see what it has. So it's at 80 cents today. I remember yesterday's video, it was 78. It's 80 cents and a half today. I told you this will change. The stronger XRP gets, the higher this number will get, because this is 16 and a half days of data, so it goes back a couple weeks. So it takes time to keep progressing this number up. XRP continues to show strength. You're going to get some more upwards price movement, guys. All right. Check out our Discord group, guys. It's in the video description. Another XRP update tomorrow. Watch Bitcoin. Obviously, all the altcoins follow it. And I got a stellar release coming out next, guys. Talk to you soon. Have a great Sunday.